Cleaning your pool is often the least fun part of homeownership. Check the link in the description for the best price. Today we are looking at the Hinice Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, which promises to handle those dirty floors and walls automatically, so you do not have. Let us take a look at how this cleaner functions in a real pool environment. This unit focuses on mobility and cleaning coverage to ensure the entire pool is addressed during its cycle. We evaluated its ability to manage floors, walls, and tight corners to see how it stacks up against standard manual cleaning methods. The robot intelligently maps the pool layout to cover floors, walls, and corners efficiently. High-efficiency brushes and the 180-micron filter handle typical pool debris like sand and leaves. The 6,400 mAh battery provides 2 hours of runtime, which is sufficient for most residential pools. The feature set provides a good baseline for most residential pool cleaning needs. Next, we will examine the daily usability and overall ownership experience of this cleaner. Ease of use matters as much as cleaning performance. We checked the design of the filter basket and the general durability expectations to understand how this device fits into your weekly chore routine and long-term maintenance schedule. The top handle makes removing and cleaning the filter basket a quick and simple task. The IPX8 waterproof rating is essential for a device constantly submerged in pool water. The replacement warranty policy is helpful, though it can create logistical hurdles compared to standard repairs. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, though keep an eye on filter cleanliness. The Hinice Robotic Pool Cleaner offers a high level of convenience for pool maintenance. Its cordless design and dual cleaning modes make it a compelling option for those tired of manual scrubbing. While the lack of long-term data on battery health and deep cleaning power is a consideration, it provides a strong value for those looking to automate their daily pool upkeep tasks.